Hi, everybody. It's Adam. And Mr. Dino.
And Petri.
And we're here to sing a couple Christmas songs to you. So, kids, what do you want to sing to people?
You can go first.
Okay, I'm gonna sing I'm Dreaming of a Dino Christmas.
Dino Christmas? I'm not sure about that one.
I'll sing it. I'm dreaming of a dino Christmas.
What?
Just like the ones I used to know. Bump, 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 ba-dump, ba-dump. Where the treetops glisten.
I like trees.
And children listen.
I like children.
To hear snow and dinos in the snow. Rump, bump, bump, ba-dump, ba-dump.
I'm not sure about this one.
I'm dreaming of a dino Christmas with everything I like to eat.
I like to eat.
May your days be happy and lots of treats.
We like treats.
And may all your Christmases be neat.
Not bad. Petri, what would you like to sing to people?
Oh, I know this one.
We wish you a Merry Christmas. We wish you a Merry Christmas. We wish you a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. Good tidings to you and your kin.
Raw.
And raw.
Good tidings for Christmas and a Happy New Year.
All right, you guys have a wonderful Christmas break and enjoy the singing from Mr. Dino.
That's me.
And Petri.
That's me.
And from me, Mr. Adam. Have a wonderful, wonderful day. Bye.